The speed of growth can be overwhelming, but there's one thing that we can keep up with, which is ourselves. We know that mobile is constantly moving, hence the name moving, and therefore mobile allows us to separate from the PC. I'm sure looking around, everyone probably has a smartphone. If you don't have a smartphone, you probably will be getting one in the next year. Your customers are using smartphones. 72% of smartphone owners use their devices while consuming other media. A third of those are watching TV. 93% of smartphone owners use their smartphones while at home, as well as 81% browse the internet, 68% use apps, and 48% watch videos on their smartphone. It's so encouraging when I'm walking around or I'm out at a restaurant and I see a smartphone sitting on the table, because that's what we do. And I want to see as many smartphones out there as possible. More than 33 million U.S. customers already engage in shopping-related activities on their mobile phones. 2.3 million of those customers have made a purchase on their device, as well as by 2015, 81% of U.S. cell users will have smartphones. China is the largest Android operating system user, with about 80 to 85% of that population on the Android device. Why? Because Android is open source and the parts are really inexpensive to get and build. US, we're seeing more of the Apple platform, but Android is right up there with it. And the reason why Android is so popular is because of the number of devices. So it's easier, it's cheaper to buy an Android device than it is an Apple device. 2011 was what I call the mobile inflection point. Christmas 2011, so we're going back a little over a year, shattered all records with 6.8 million new mobile activations just on that day alone. So in one day, mobile devices, there were 6.8 million new activations, which was a 140% jump over the 2.8 million of 2010. Consumers downloaded 242 million apps that day, which was also an increase. So we're seeing a jump. Well, now let's fast forward to 2012, 17.4 million, which is a 332% jump over Christmas the year prior. So as you can see, mobile is here. People are getting mobile devices, whether it's a phone and or a tablet. And tablet, for the second year in a row, was the most popular Christmas item. And of course, we've got the iPad, and now we got the iPad mini. But then you got all these different Android devices too, Android tablets like the Google Nexus, Samsung. And then consumers downloaded 328 million apps that day alone.